So here I am under the back of an old aluminum tub rock crawler. This has got a Curry Rock Jock Dana 60 housing in it. And the ideal location, you can actually see where this has been worn over several years of transporting, right there and there, where I typically run an axle strap or a combination axle strap. But today, I'm going to weld on our new housing brackets. I'm going to position it just about like that, both left and right. And then that is ideally suited to accept the twisted snap hook, which is our most common automotive tie-down hook. And the end result will be just like that. So stay tuned as I clean up the housing with a die grinder, wipe it down, and weld these in place. Because this is a pretty extreme off-road machine, I want to make sure that this bracket is not down around the back of the housing where it becomes susceptible to being caught on a stump or a rock or some other obstacle when I'm off-roading. So I'm intentionally going to swing that up a bit. That way, anything that I can manage to get over with the housing is not going to come in contact with this. So that looks to be just about ideal. I'm going to put my welding hat on here and tack that in place and have a final look. There we have it. Just like that, that bracket is complete. Now, because this is just an old rock crawler, can of Krylon, and the job is done. And notice how perfectly that works. If you have to pull off angle a little bit to get to the D-ring on your trailer, notice how well that accommodates a slight angle. Super easy just to reach in there. No more axle strap, nothing interfering with brake lines, brackets, sharp surfaces, vent tubes, or anything else. Long overdue offering from Max. Get yours today at maxtiedowns.com or give us a call at 800-666-1586.